Phil in Tampa Bay. Hey, Phil, what's up?
Hi. There's a bigger scandal that I don't think anybody's covered, unfortunately, including you. And it's called PMI. That means if you have less than 20% as a down payment on any house, you are required...
You're talking about private mortgage insurance.
You are required to take out private mortgage insurance in case you default on your mortgage.
Right.
Now, had these insurance companies been paying off when people defaulted on their mortgage, we wouldn't be in any kind of mortgage crisis now, would we?
Well, that's interesting.
That's number one.
So wait a minute. Why are you? I've not been in the middle of this. I'm not a mortgage broker. I know the macro side of it, but the micro side of it, I'm really unfamiliar with. Are you saying that the people who took out ninja loans and liar loans and these non-bank mortgage companies that sprang up, many, there's some good ones out there, but back in the day, many of them were just basically hustlers and thieves, and that they were selling mortgages to people?
No, everybody.
Without mortgage insurance?
I took out a loan from GMAC.
Right.
Okay, for my home.
Right.
All right. I only had 15% down.
Right.
All right. I was required to take this private mortgage insurance and pay $47 a month payments.
Right.
Everybody is.
So if you default, why doesn't the private mortgage insurance pay it?
Because it's a con game. That's why. That's my point.
That's a very, very interesting. Who is the private mortgage? It's not. This is AIG or something.
They never tell you. And here's the other.
Oh, so it's probably just the bank itself.
No.
Self-insuring.
They said it's private mortgage insurance. But here's the point. What if every time everybody had an accident in the United States in their automobile, when they went to get it fixed, the mortgage company didn't answer the phone and the doors were locked?
Right. Yeah. No, that's an incredible point, Phil, that I had never considered.
Okay, here's the second incredible point. If you are still making payments on your mortgage, you are continuing to pay these mortgage
PMI fees.
Yeah, 40. I'm paying, and I got a little tiny house in Florida. I am, until recently, I was continuing to pay $47 a month. So I wanted to refi it, so they had to have they want you to have an appraisal.
Right.
And I had an appraisal done. So now they had no excuse. So now they're dropping the PMI. I just got off the phone fighting with them.
Did you ask them what company was issuing that PMI?
They don't know. These are just, clerks. These are just people answering the telephone.
It'd be very interesting to go to the bank, and if you find out, Phil, call back.
But my point is that everybody...
No, I know. I've had to buy PMI myself on the mortgages that I've had, and for over 30 years, and I know exactly what you're talking about. And I would love to hear from somebody who knows what the hell is going on here. This is a great one, Phil. Thank you very much. Are the banks self-insuring? Are there actually private mortgage insurance companies out there? And if so, why aren't they paying off on all these mortgages that are defaulting?